Are you doing open houses? I want to show you how I'm leveraging the KvCORE platform and those technologies into my open houses and how it's allowing me to increase my conversion when people are walking in the door. So let's start off first. I print up this flyer and then I put area listings on the back. I hand it to them when they walk in the door and say, hey, here's information on the property and there's the area listings of similar properties. If you're not finding what you like in this house, take a look at those. So that's one thing I do. There's no technology I'm leveraging into that. With KvCORE, you can use the Open House app. And what this is it's an app that you download on your tablet. And then when people walk in, you hand them your tablet and say, hey, would you like to, or please register, or however you want to phrase it, register for my open house. And then they put the information in and it blasts it directly into your CRM. I don't use that. The reason why is because I find people aren't really trusting of that. They don't really want to give their information into the platform. So I just use a standard sign-in sheet. But here's where I do use the platform. What's your home worth? I have this on this little stand-up presentation thing and say, hey, do you want to know what your home's worth? Scan the QR code and I'll show you what your home's worth. Very effective to existing homeowners who have to buy and sell, which is a high percentage of people, especially on this house I was holding open. The other one I have, this is my area listing report. So people looking for listings, these listings right here, they can scan their QR code and they go directly to my website, the digitally branded website. So those are the two things I do to leverage. And so let's look and see how we get to that. So within this, this is my area listing report. Now we're up to 15 for the area. And to set this up, I went into KvCORE. I went into our little area. This is Loomis, Pendrin, and Newcastle, California. Kind of a unique area outside of Sacramento. I'm looking at single family. I put my price range in. Obviously, it's a huge variance in price range, but still I only came up with 15 listings. And then in configuration, I put in open house. My hashtag is open house. This is important because when someone registers to look at those properties, the hashtag kicks in and then that smart campaign starts. I'm allowing them to look at 5 properties before they're forced to register. And then it generates the links for me. And this is the page that comes up. For the listing report, I create this seller squeeze page. Open house, open house. I go Placer County because that's where I'm located. I generate the links and I come up with this page. Find out what your Placer home is worth. And then it starts talking about numbers and averages. So those are the two things I do. I create the QR codes for both of these. People come in, they scan them, goes into my CRM. It's working for me. These are just 2 ways that I use the platform. There's several different ways to use the technology, but find what works for you. If you're going to do an open house, you might as well do everything you can to be able to convert that lead when they come in the door. We're in a space today where people are trusting QR codes and you're able to give them information in exchange for their information, and by them opting in, that is the basis for permission marketing. So I hope this helps. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up, follow my page, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.